Guys, looking for a new career with the skills gap bigger than ever and the need for trade workers intensified, National Technical Institute can help you get on the fast track to a brand new career. And Mike Davis visited NTI to learn all about the upcoming open house event.
What's up, guys? Mike Davis here at NTI, National Technical Institute. I'm hanging out with Campus Director Cody Wilson. Cody, great to be with you. We're talking about the open house that's happening on June 3rd from 9 to 12. Before we dive into that, let's talk about the skills gap, Cody. So right now, more than ever, we need trade workers. How can NTI help with that?
We're training entry-level technicians to get into the industry and replace those that are leaving and hopefully fill the gap that's just not been filled over the last few years as we've been pushing traditional college and university.
And here at NTI, you guys really help because not only is it accelerated learning, but the actual instructors are people who have real-world experience. Explain that.
Yeah, so we're not taking educators and turning them into technicians. We're taking technicians and turning them into educators for our instructors. Each person that's an instructor here at NTI, they're what you would consider a field expert with years of experience in the industry and specific to the industry that they're teaching.
The accelerated part is the best part because people can come to this open house and, I mean, how quickly will they actually be out in a new career?
All of our programs are under 4 months long, 16 weeks, so you can be in and out into a new career or a new industry in that amount of time.
And what are these salaries looking like in these fields?
Yeah, so the average annual salary across the United States for each of these electrical, plumbing, and HVAC are all in the 50 to 60,000 range. That is the average. In these industries, as you move up, you get into leadership, superintendent, service manager roles, that can exponentially increase.
Okay, so that's big. And then this open house, you guys always make it a party. There's food, there's fun. It's going to be a great time, but it really behooves people who are maybe on the fence to come check this out because there's going to be some interesting opportunities, especially something about a scholarship. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so if you're on the fence about checking out NTI or coming to the open house specifically, I mean, yeah, we're going to have coffee, pastries, and all the good stuff to get you jacked in the morning, right?
Yeah.
One, there is a $500 scholarship given away, partnering with one of our credit union partners, but then we're doing a special short-term down payment 50% match. We'll match 50% of your down payment up to $1,000. And so that means if you put $2,000 down, we'll match $1,000 of that, and so you would have $3,000 down towards that tuition. It is for specific programs, but you got to come down to the open house and get more details on that.
Perfect. That sounds like a no-brainer to me. Cody, thank you for all the great information. Guys, Saturday, June 3rd, 9 to 12, open house. If you're on the fence, you really want to figure out if maybe this is the field for you, you can get that accelerated learning and learn all about it. So, Cody, thank you for all that stuff. For more information, go to ntitraining.com.
Thanks, Mike. For more information, visit ntitraining.com or call 702-948-9000.